Everyone, today we're going to learn how to lock and unlock a function key in different laptops. I have two different laptops, HP and MI. In HP laptop, Shift has this lock symbol. Simply Fn plus Shift locks the function key and same does the opposite. Here we have the indicator on Fn key, an LED light. Now moving to my laptop, if you closely check the keyboard layout, escape has the Fn lock symbol. So we have to do Fn plus escape to lock or unlock the function key. But we do not have any LED indicator. That's all for today. Please post your technology related doubts in the comments so that I can make videos on them to solve your problems. Like, share and subscribe to Doubt Box.